Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. So today we're doing day 4, look 4, with this beautiful palette here. Really is a stunning palette. I've really been enjoying using it. So it just looks like this, as if it needs any introduction. Today I'm really thinking about going very autumnal with this nutty shade here all over the lid. So I'm just going to get into it with you guys. How are you all doing? Hope you're all doing really well. I'm still suffering with this cold, so I thought it's mainly a cough. If I didn't have any of the other symptoms, I'd be a little bit worried at this point. I feel like it's starting to affect my asthma a little bit. I'm not going to lie. Having to fetch the inhalers out. But I'm okay. I'm doing alright. Just want it to go away now because it's been... I've had the cold... Well, I've had all of the symptoms. I had like a triple whammy. I've said this before in a video, but I got the cold and the sore throat at the same time. I was sick that same day as well. I've never been that sick in a long time. And the cough came a few days later. So yeah. If I'm still like this next week, I'm gonna go to the... Well, I'm not going to go to, but I'm going to ring the doctor up and see if I can get some advice. Right, so what are we doing? I think I'm going to go in with Smooth, and I really want to use this milk chocolate shade here. But obviously Smooth is a slightly lighter shade, it's slightly more orange toned, and milk chocolate is more brown. So I'm not too sure how that's going to turn out. I had a shower earlier on and my hair's obviously back curly now. And sorry about that, I just needed to get some tissue. So yeah, I was saying my hair's back curly now, as you can see. And I've just put mousse on it and I'm really not liking it. It feels really stringy and hard. You probably can see that. So I'm hoping it will kind of relax itself a little bit later on. I'm not going to buy that mousse again. It will probably end up in our favourites and fails somewhere down the track. Not too sure which one. Maybe I'll do a November favourites and fails, because I've not done one for a while on the channel. Just been too busy with other videos. Let me know if you'd like to see one. Because I like to film videos that you guys like to watch, not just the videos that I like to film. And I try and do videos that I think you'll like to watch, but sometimes, I mean, as much as I want to be, I'm not a mind reader. I've been getting a few, well, not a few, I've been getting the odd dislike on videos. Not even like dislikes with why the person dislikes it. And I know that as your subscriber count goes up, that not everyone's going to like the content that you put out. So I'm not getting upset about it or anything, but it would be nice to have a little bit of feedback. Right, now we're going to go in with, was it chocolate? Milk chocolate. Never used this shade before. don't want to go in with too much that it makes it muddy. It takes the orange away. Not zoomed in at all today. Oh well, it's too late now. Well, it isn't, but we'll just leave it like this. It's just going to be another quick look because I'm going to have chippy tea tonight and it's almost at the point where they're going to be closing soon. I really enjoyed it last week, so I'm hoping it's going to be as nice as that. Right, so we're going to go in with Nutty. Oh yes. Wow, that's beautiful. It's a nice, beautiful bronze. So far I've only come across one dud eyeshadow, and that was the shade Honey, which is a shame. It would have been better if it would have been a shimmer yellow instead of a matte yellow. And I did a look with it in yesterday's video, so I'll put that here, like up there somewhere in the cards. So it was day 3, look 3. So I was getting all excited. Someone today on YouTube put that looked fantastic. We're having a sale for Natasha Denona products here in the UK, 30% off. And my mum's already given me the money for the Glam palette for Christmas, so I'm going to buy that. I'm going to now go in with Cashew. It's just that cream ivory shade there. Excuse me. And then I want to go in the lash line with this smooth shade here. And that's another thing, I'm being a bit more talkative, so you can definitely tell I'm on the mend. But that's another thing, I was going through my videos because the next set of videos I want to put up is when I filmed my 5 days 5 looks with the BH Cosmetics Love London palette. And I know I filmed 5 looks, but only 4 looks are on the channel, so I'm going to have to take some time out next week and film the final look, which is just so annoying. The footage isn't on the laptop anymore, so obviously I've deleted that footage, but I know I actually filmed it, and I'm like checking the laptop religiously, and I'm like, I'm going crazy here. It felt like I was going crazy. But it's a beautiful palette, and I don't actually mind using it one more time. Oh, it's gone in my eye. It's really warm toned, isn't it, this look? It gets to this point in the video and you can really hear, because I've been talking quite a bit, even more so than usual, you can start to hear my voice going, so I'm sorry about that. Damn tonsillitis is. And you guys are probably thinking to yourself, well, why are you filming? Well, because I love you guys, and I wanted you to see what looks you could create with this palette. And also, I want to do a new Shop My Stash soon, so, and I can't do that until this is out of the palettes that I wanted to use for the week. It's at the minute it's coming up to 2 weeks since I last filmed, so yeah, it has been quite a while. I did take a week break, but I'm still not right, so the videos aren't going to be that long. They're not going to be more than 15 minutes long. I'm just going in now with the mascara that I'm using up at the minute. It's the Makeup Gallery I don't know where that cut out, but the mascara I'm using at the moment is the Makeup Gallery Turn Up the Volume and Define, so I'm just going to use that. The brush is amazing on this. Right, and lastly I'm going to blend the eyeshadow out a little bit. Yeah, I'm liking the look of this eyeshadow look. It goes with my top really nice. And that wasn't my intention when I put this top on, because I didn't know what look I was going to go for today. Right, so that's good. I'm just going to take the oil off that I've got on, and then we can choose a lipstick. Okay, I'll just go and get one. Right, so I've chosen this one. I absolutely adore it. It's a Revolution one and it's in the shade Triumph. The only thing is with this, it's a cream lipstick, so it's going to smear onto my mask. I don't mind that, it's whether it smears all over my mouth, but I'm only going to my mum's after I've been to the shops, so I can sort that out when I get there. So yeah, let's put some of this on. Can you see how, oh god, I've got some on my tooth. Can you see how creamy it is? I think it looks really, really nice though. With the eyeshadow look, it pairs quite well, and with the shirt. So let's just take my hair out. What are you doing to me, Minnie? So still damp hair. Not good going out with damp hair. So yeah, I'm really liking this look. I'll just come forward and show you the overall finished look. So the palette, I've obviously used it for 4 days now, so far so good with it. I've practically used every shade in here, so I'm not too sure what I'm going to do tomorrow, if I'm being honest. I'm just looking at it. I'm thinking about maybe using this foil shade here. I was going to use that today, but then I saw Nutty and I just thought, yeah, I want to go really bronzy. Yeah, but I wouldn't recommend it. If you're looking at this palette and you're thinking, oh, I love that yellow, I mean, I wouldn't recommend anyone buy a palette just for one shade anyway, unless it's a monochrome or something like that, then you don't mind paying it. But for this shade in itself, it's just not worth it, guys. Most palettes have yellows like that in it anyway, so you could dupe that from another palette. Other than that, I would say it's a beautiful palette. You can get some really nice autumnal looks with it. So yeah, I recommend it so far. So we'll see tomorrow what look we come up with. I'm going to love you and leave you now because my throat is starting to really go on me. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to think about subscribing to my channel and becoming part of our little fam over here. Please like, share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.